Hello, this is Ankit Reddy. Welcome to the .NET course from educators.com, world's best online training tutorial for the leading technologies. In this video session, we'll learn about how to download and install Visual Studio Express 2005. Please install a free versions of Microsoft Visual Studio. Do not encourage pirated versions. And what are the system requirements? It requires minimum of 1.6 GHz or faster processor, 1 GB of RAM, 1.5 GB if running on a virtual machine, 8 GB of available hard disk space. So before working with Visual Studio, we need to download and install this Visual Studio into our machines. For that, you should go to visualstudio.com website. There you can see the downloads options are available. Then you can find it like all downloads. In clicking on here, you will see this all download option. Then you can find here Express 2015 for desktop. Then click on download. Click on download here. Then it will be asking you to run. Either you can run it directly, or else you can save it. Later you can run it. Now we are clicking on run directly. Then after this, it will start down installing. Then it will be showing Visual Studio a dialog box like this, Express 2015 for Windows Desktop. You'll be seeing that a set of warnings. Please ignore these warnings. You don't need to worry about this. See here, just read the warning message. This version of Visual Studio works best with Internet Explorer 10, which is currently not installed on your computer. If you choose to continue, some features may not work as expected. This won't come for you if you have Internet Explorer 10. So if you don't have also, no problem. Please click on continue. Then it will be by default, it will choose the installation for C program files Microsoft Visual Studio. If you don't like that, you can choose it for other drive, D drive program files. Then click on install. Then it will take some time to get acquiring and applying these settings into your local computer. It will take some time. Please bear here. It won't immediately install into your machine. Then it will be taking time. See this and see this. It will be taking too much time. Then finally setup will completed if you don't have any interruptions. Suppose if you have less space available, or sometimes if your computer power might shut down, like that, if you don't find any kind of issues, the setup will get complete like this. Then you need to restart now for a while. This computer needs to be restarted before starting the product. So please restart once, then you can get this application again. This program is supported by US international copyright laws described by in help. Again, I'm telling, please do not encourage pirated versions of Visual Studio. Always install the free versions from Visual Studio. Then it will be asking you to sign in to Visual Studio. If you have account, you can sign in. Otherwise, you can click on not now, maybe later. We are getting things ready. Thanks for your patience. Then if you want to sign in, you can provide your email or phone number. Then it will take this. We are preparing for first use. This may take a few minutes. You need to wait for some time. Then finally you can see this get installed. So let me go back and explain you one more time. Initially what we did, we have gone to the place called visualstudio.com. There you can find downloads. Here you click on all downloads, then choose this Express 2015 for desktop, click on download, then it will ask you to run or cancel. If you don't want to run immediately, you can cancel it. If you wanted to install now only, you can click on run. Then it will take some time. Please ignore the warning messages, click on continue. Then it will ask you to choose your location where you wanted to install. By default it will be C program files. If you wanted to change, you can change it to D program. Then it will take some time. After that you can log into this Visual Studio if you want. Otherwise you can click on maybe later. Then it will get ready for you, Visual Studio. Thank you for watching. We'll meet again for next video session.